Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX50 Sport. So this is a brand new trim level for the 2023 model year. You take elements of some ice, take elements of the QX55, put them in the QX50, and you get the QX50 Sport. Nice storage area, and of course with the Bose sound system, you get an amplifier and subwoofer all right there. Now, for the back half, you're gonna get a QX50S badge. There we go. It's going to be all blacked out, all your badging, all your window surrounds are going to be blacked out. 23 QX50 Sport Hermoso blue over graphite. Also available in the Sport trim is the Monaco red that is found in the QX55. Blacked out trim here. Now, here is where you see what I'm talking about, elements of the 55 brought to the QX50. Same wheels as the QX55, same front fascia as the QX55. Sticker price as tested, $52,405. Interior wise, you're gonna have some suede outlinings, this beautiful carbon fiber-esque trim. Your Bose speakers, you have ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, of course. Of course, your new shifter, wireless charging. Now, in terms of performance, it's the exact same. Drives the exact same. Sport is very much an appearance pack rather than a performance model. However, while you're driving, you notice the new trim. You notice the suede inserts on the seats. And when you walk up to the car, it really sets it apart, especially in a darker color like this. I'm very excited to see. We have an incoming white with Monaco red. I want to see how that looks. But in this dark color, it looks good. So, like I said, still features the exact same 2-liter turbo 4, variable compression, 268 horse, 280 pound-feet. That sound you hear is the plate. Brand new cars, the screws don't screw in all that tight without an impact gun, and I don't have an impact gun, so. Like I said, driving on the highway, this thing is just comfortable as any other QX50. Bose sound system, obviously I don't have non-copyright music saved on a flash drive or whatever, so can't demonstrate it and it won't come across on video very well anyways. It sounds good. This isn't the full Performance Series audio, but it does sound the part. So the Sport trim level replaces Essential, and it's a welcome addition in my mind. The Essential was always just a little weird. You couldn't really distinguish it visually from the Lux, and this completely changes that. You have navigation standards, so you have all the features you knew and loved with the Essential, with a little bit of spice. In terms of handling, the QX50 was pretty good at handling. It still is. And while you're riding on QX55 wheels, the tires are the same between the two. So it's not like you get Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on this car. It's the same tires that you'll have on any other trim level. So if any of you know Infinitis, you'll know about the QX50 Luxe Appearance Pack. So take that appearance pack, add more features, and go a little bit, turn it up to 11. That's the QX50 Sport. The Luxe Appearance Pack is gone for $23. So in a way, this right here replaces the Appearance Pack and the Essential. And it combines the best of both worlds into one trim level, which in my opinion is definitely welcome. Heated or steering heater, that way, you know, in case the road's cold, the tires up front, you know, it warms up the steering for you. Yeah, sorry, that was a joke if you didn't catch that. Big bump. Thing makes little turbo noises. I like that. Let's check out the turning circle here. Wow, very good. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.